Advanced technology. InSITE technology features a 360 degrees clear window to enable the installer to verify the connection before the connector is compressed. It allows for a confident connection every time. Construction. One-piece connectors feature plastic and nickel-plated brass bodies that offer excellent corrosion resistance. The gold-plated fixed center pin accepts 23-18 Aruban fluorine solid center conductors. Coax compression connector. Designed for optimal performance on 75 ohms coaxial cables. These cable-specific BNC connectors utilize standard 1/4 by 1/4 in cable preparation. Applications. These BNC connectors are used in security, CCTV, and analog camera installations. These can also be used in other instrumentation and video-based installations. Specifications. Package includes 35 RG-59 BNC compression connectors. Compatible with cables that have a 0.142 to 0.148 in dielectric diameter range, outer jacket diameter range of 0.230 to 0.250 in. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use features. So yes, I had tried these to sample one before my main install. With the correct crimper it works flawlessly. The clear slot allows you to see how far to push in instead of guessing like others have. For the price it's not too bad for the features it presents. Would buy again. And I probably will.